Welcome to channel Realtrade Official. Realtrade Official channel is a complete reference for trade training. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Don't forget to comment, like and share. I am waiting for your comments.
What is the trend? Trend is the main direction of price movement. Types of trends: uptrend, downtrend, no trend. Uptrend. Floors higher than the previous floor. Ceilings higher than the previous ceiling. The trend is upward. Downtrend. The floors are lower than the previous floor. Lower ceilings than the previous ceiling. The trend is downward. No trend. Touch the ceiling. Touch the floor.